Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we'll check out the CCTV based people monitoring system. And this will be the input video where it will detect the persons and identify the particular person in frame. Okay, and separate it out. So let's run the project. Python space main.py and we have to give the input video1.mp4. So loading using YOLO V8. We are using the YOLO algorithm, the video name, durations, and the output video. First phase will be the detecting and tracking the persons. It will take the frame by frame. Total 460 frames are there. In that particular project, user have to provide the input video, and in the output, it will identify the persons and recognize in the frame and separate out in the different folders. So after completion of phase 1, then it will start the phase 2, stitching, tracks and building appearances. Total 15%, 48 dot tracks, and it will identify in the particular time frame like 0 to 19 second, 0 to 3 second, 0 to 4 second, 0 to 19 second. Like that, it will identify and separate out with the particular person. In the frame third, extracting 15 clips. So from the particular video, we have to extract that clips in which the particular person is appearances. Now it will extract the clip. If you are a computer science student and want to develop any computer science related project, then we have prepared a complete project list. If you want the particular list, then you can directly contact us on WhatsApp to this number. I will share that particular list. And if you are developing any projects or assignment and got any error and want any help, then you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. I will share the WhatsApp number in the video descriptions. Now 93% is completed. 15% appearance is 1 and 100% completed. And you can check it out like all the person with the first and last scene, appearances and the timing. And it will also generate the summary according to the person wise with the first scene and last scene and save video to the video one underscore output file. And this will be the particular outputs where it will store the person in separate folders like person wise, person one. It will create the thumbnail with the video. Like in that particular video, the person is seeing. Let's go back. Thumbnail, person 3. It will be identified in that particular video with that timing slot. So this will be the complete project. It will generate the summary as well, where it will detect the persons and store with the first in, last in, and appearances with the timing slot and confidence score. So this will be the complete projects. Let's end this video here. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.